Well, g'day and welcome to JoeJoeMoto. We're out here this morning with Mr. Kev, finding some different single tracks that, well, that I haven't ridden before, that's for sure. And yeah, a little bit different. So stick around, let's have some fun. Let's try not to get ourselves into too much chaos. Mr. Kev normally puts me through my paces. So, well, we'll see how the morning goes. Okay, a bit technical. Cool. How good's that? Whoa, so rocky. Okay, somewhat clean, sort of smooth. Whoa, toy. Oh, into the jungle. Into the jungle we go. Wowzers, whoa! Oh! I didn't think I was going to stop then. Oh, that looks, okay, yeah, like that. Oh my gosh, in one! That's pretty to watch. Sort of in one. Not as, nowhere near as graceful as Mr. Kev, that's for sure. Oh, nice. Wow. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, gosh. Yeah. Okay, there's a second line over there, actually.
Over that log.
Is there a log, is there? Right, okay.
Go back and let it go, hold the watch.
Yeah, right.
I'll just wait here.
Yeah, yeah. Like this, and then up, and then, but I don't have my, oh, there's a hill. Oh. That was so messy. So messy. Oh my gosh. I am legs everywhere. Just Gumby. Oh man. That was funny. I was just all legs trying to get up that. Stay in the rut, but yeah.
Scootering it up.
Man, it's really rutted, isn't it? That was good. 1 foot on the peg. I mean, I would have done it better. Both feet up, but still happy with that. Oh, that's tight. Wow. How's this section? Far out. Oh, this is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome sauce. Stay on it. Definitely warmed up now. What an amazing place, huh? Yes. This is so good. Just taking a solid run at that. Okay. So that's going to require a little bit of finesse. Yeah, straight up. Okay, that was cool. I felt like I did that really well. With a little bit of speed and confidence, you know. Whoa. Not making it through there easily. An incredible track. This has been, hey? Yeah. Okay, Mr. Kev's putting me in the lead for some reason. I don't know. Ow! That one really hurt. It slapped under the bark buster and then hit my hand. Yeah, jeez. It is tight. Another bar banger. That's tight, huh? The hardest part about getting a bit of speed on this for me at the moment is just how tight it is and just clenching like that to try and get through stuff without absolutely bashing the bars on myself, on my knee, on my foot. That's probably the hardest part for me. Whoa! Like that. Nearly tucked it into the tree. Just keep going. Just keep going. Whoa. Ah, like that. A flipping arm. My armor didn't save me then. Hit me on the top of my arm when my armor is not. Gosh, you got that big old bark of a 4-stroke behind me, scaring me along. Mr. Kev. Okay, I went over it. Sort of. I mean, I went over it, but it was not pretty or graceful. Oh, oh, that was, yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, all right. Okay. Bit of that local knowledge, Mr. Kev, eh? This is good. You're not tired. It's your body telling you that you're warmed up and ready to go. Do not stop. Gosh, that's so fun.
It is, isn't it?
It's so fun.
You're so quick through that stuff.
Oh, it was just hearing the bark behind me. Like, get away from him! Get away from him! It's too fast. Do you want me to go? Yeah, the bark. Wow! Gosh, you can't even ride anymore. Whew. This is so tight and technical, eh? Just at any moment, there's just stuff everywhere about to pull me off the bike. I'm just, oh, not placing the bike, come on. Yeah, the bark. It's swinging the bike side to side, hey. And just bashing it through stuff with disregard to machine and body. That was a proper, you know, just keep going, do not stop. Until you make it. It's like fake it till you make it, but with a clutch. Holy. I probably could have cruised over that one okay. Really. Anyway. Awesome. I'm just a little bit out of control here. Whoa! Alright, how amazing has this single track been? Thank you guys so much for watching. Do the subscribe, the notifications. all the other social media thingies. And we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully, not not getting so chaotic like I am today. Mr. Kev, maniac. Gosh, he pushes me, and I love it. I really do. I'm joking because I love it. I genuinely love it. He's so amazing to ride with. Thanks, Mr. Kev, being so amazing. All right, oh, another bar basher. We'll see you guys on the next one. Whew. Well, g'day and welcome to JoeJoeMoto. Well, g'day and welcome to JoeJoeMoto. We are here with Mr. Kev, and he has a new bike. Oh my gosh, that thing is amazing. It is a Sherco 300 4-stroke. And I can't remember the guy's name, Jonty something, a famous Enduro racer. It's his old practice bike. So it's got all the trick stuff on it, like properly trick stuff on it. Yeah, it's a beast. It's a really cool machine. So yeah, we're just gonna cruise around and have a bit of fun this morning and find some new and different tracks, which is going to be fun. Oh yeah, it's still very slick. There is still a lot of water around. A lot of moisture. Oh, I'm in it now. No getting out of that one. Once you're in, you're in. That was really cool, Kev. Yeah, so you climbed the wall that sideways sort of way. That was pretty epic. He definitely seems very confident on that bike. I mean, he's confident on any bike, but I think he's definitely gelling with it.